In this module, we are going to talk about role of multinational corporations in accelerating globalization. Multinational corporations serve as key driving force of accelerating globalization. Dominance of developed countries lead to expansion of capitalism, rapid expansion of industries in other countries, technological transfer, sharing knowledge, innovative ideas, integration of local and global economy. Today, if you know that how multinational corporations are spreading their tentacles to monopolize the regional economies, and they are doing it successfully. When multinational corporations move to other parts of the world, they do not only integrate economies but carry their culture along, and they had business practices which are shared, and global culture interacts with local culture. Hybridization happened, homogenization of culture promotes, localization is implemented when people think global but act local. That is known as localization. Americanization, westernization, when people are adopting those values and such customs which are usually supposed to be in the West are in America. So that is why it is known as Americanization or westernization. These multinational corporations have certain characteristics which cause increased interconnect communication and at international level. Global norms and values are transferred. More people are learning English due to international demand. Dressing is of that style that based on West. Introducing different cultural cuisines in different continents of the world. Sharing knowledge and heritage. These multinational corporations are not only making a business, are doing business in different parts of the world. They are also taking their cultural values and try to promote those cultural values in the countries where they have businesses. Multinational corporations create job opportunities in the host countries and provide better salary packages than their domestic firms. Host country GDP is boosted, increased earning through exports, better standards of living of the host country. New manufacturing processes are introduced to the host countries. Efficiency of production. This way, multinational corporations sometimes create problems for the host countries because they pay more salaries to the employees. But when they left that country, those employees usually do not try to find work in their countries. They try to move or migrate from their country to the country where that multinational corporation is going. In this way, sometimes brain drain happens. Criticism. Threat to the domestic businesses. Domestic firms are usually unable to compete the international organizations. Workers of developing countries are exploited. Multinational corporations can change locations at a very short notice. Depletion of scarce resources. This is how I earlier mentioned that owing to that brain drain, which happens owing to the high salaries they usually pay to their employees, they do not stay later in their native lands, but they always try to go abroad and try to search work in those multinational corporations where they had been working, or they use that experience and find another job with any other company or with any other office. And this is how depletion of resources is going on, not at human level, but also if you could see that services are also going abroad. People are who working in Pakistan as a doctors and engineers, they want to go abroad for better opportunities of life. They don't want to stay here in their native lands and work for the development of the economies of their native lands. But they used to work for developing the economies of the developed world.